Uy, Bes, graduate ka na daw?
Oo, graduate na ako. Kita mo to.
Akala ata nito di ako gagraduate eh. Di naman kagandahan.
So, yes, back on track ulit. Recently, I've been processing my bachelor's degree and like, gladly, nakuha ko na siya this, like, December of 2020. So, after 2 or 3 years, finally, my bachelor's degree na din ako. And, that's really kind of bummed knowing that I've graduated last 2017. So, yeah, that's, I guess, a thing for us seafarers. You know, like unconventional things for us. So as a seafarer, actually graduate na talaga kami within 3 years.